Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. So it's been a while since I have uploaded a video because I was quite occupied with some work. So today I'm back again with a new video of creating arts to decorate your homes, in which I have made something out of cardboard box. It is a beautiful piece to keep it on your center table or any corner of your room, or also if you want you can use it as your jewelry box or as your makeup products box, anything. It is a multiple use box that I have made today and I'm sure you're going to love it. So stay with me till the end and do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's quickly jump into the video. So the things you require to make this is this cardboard box that I had it in my home. Whenever you order something you always get a cardboard box, so I just saved it. Some jute rope and some acrylic colors. So I have taken white color here because I like the beige and white tone, so that is why. And you also need some Fevicol. So firstly we're going to start by painting this box in white color. So as I said, I have taken white color. You can take any color of your choice. I love beige colors and that vibe, so I have taken whites. You can take any color of your choice, that is. And we're just going to give it one coat because we don't want it to look perfect, as it is just a base coat we are giving this box, so that we can hide the brown color of this box. So you don't want to do it all over again and again. Just do the one coat and it will be done. So it is a very easy process. Once the coat is done, we will put this Fevicol on, and I'm going to paste this jute cloth here. You can get it anywhere in the market, you just have to ask for jute cloth. And I'm going to paste this jute rope over it. So I have taken 3 rounds of the jute rope on the cardboard, as you can see here. So this was a very simple process. It just takes half an hour to do it. In fact, maybe less than that. Now I'm going to start placing these flowers inside this box. These are some flowers that I got from a flower shop. You can take any flowers of your choice, or I'll also show you the multiple option that you can use this box as. So firstly we're going to place these flowers randomly, and I just love these shades. I love pastel, and that is the reason I'm keeping it all pastel shades. So I just loved the vibe, how they came out, and I was literally surprised by the result because this looked very beautiful. So you can see how beautiful they are looking after they came together. So now I'm going to show you the final look of it. I have kept it on a corner of my room with my donut vase, and you can just have a look how aesthetic and beautiful this is looking. So it is a super easy DIY that I have made, and you can also use it as this makeup product box of your choice, or you can use it as a jewelry box. So do not forget to comment down below how you like this super easy DIY. I'm going to post my new video super soon. This was quite delayed because of some work in my health. So hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I put up a new video. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, and I'll be back with the new video super soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.